So this is a new RONXS candle lighter, but obviously it can be used for more things than just candles. So if you take it out of the box, a couple cool things that come with it. 12-month warranty, which is always awesome. And here, if you actually use the URL code, it upgrades your 12-month warranty to a 24-month warranty. Make sure you do it within 7 days of purchasing, so you have that ready to go. They're a really great company. Customer service is awesome, so they will definitely stand by their products. Cool thing about this is you never have to worry about running out of fluid, running out of sparks, or anything like that. It has a USB rechargeable battery in it, and it actually comes with one. Not that we probably don't already have tons anyway at home, but still it comes in an extra, which is always good, always handy. So this is protecting it. Now, see this gooseneck, which obviously is great for candles. As you can see, you can bend in. If you have a long candle, it's long enough to go in. But I've been using these also for those stubborn stove tops that the pilot light isn't really going, you hear click, 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 and nothing's happening. Turn on 1 second, turns right on without having the fire, brush onto you. So this is a cool, safety feature. The on-off button, so if you try to press power without this separate button being on, you can't. So that's a really good safety feature, especially if you have kids. So you're going to turn it on first. This is fully charged, so all the lights are on. So it's another good thing that you can tell you're not going to be left in the dark where there's no power and you're not aware, because you'll see when it slowly goes down. Now pressing this up releases it, and then this turns it on. Now watch up here. Really cool. It's like something from the future. Right, so there's no actual flame, it's this little spark. Now, I will say the candles I'm about ready to light have already been lit, so this kind of makes it a little bit hard to light, but it does a great job. You can bend it, right? I like to bend it kind of like this. See the fire going, I'm pulling away too quick. There we go. It makes a cool little sound. One thing you do want to make sure is after you do it, you can see there's a little bit of residue here. Just wipe off that residue, but be sure to put the safety lock on first. You're going to wipe the residue off so you get just a little bit from the candle, just to keep it in tip-top shape. And then you have your cover. Goes back on, so you don't have to worry about it being, exposed to the elements or anything. Really good to have with you camping or just in the house. Definitely recommend it.